Friends, thank you very much for clicking ABC English. Friends, today on this video we'll discuss the usage of is and are. My dear friends, sometimes the usage of is and are is very much tricky, and we'll discuss it clearly that each and everyone may be beneficial from this video. Friends, first of all, in the first question you can see one of the boys blank space present. So we have to choose is or are. So first of all, my dear friends, look at this. This is a preposition. And my dear friends, after preposition, always we have to use its object. My dear friends, so this noun boys is the object of the preposition. And you know, my dear friends, in agreement, there is no need to think about object. Agreement is done between the subject and the verb. Here the subject is one. My dear friends, the word one is basically an indefinite pronoun and it is singular. So we should write down is here. Now friends, look at this. The second question, no news dash good news. Actually, my dear friends, news, this is the noun and no is the determiner of this noun. And news is uncountable. My dear friends, it is always uncountable. That means we cannot count it. So always it will be singular. Is. In question number 3, you, he and I. Here this is second person, this is third person, and this is first person. So actually 3 persons are there. That's why it's plural. We have to use are here. You, he, and I are playing cricket. In question number 4, blank space, there, anybody. My dear friends, this there is basically adverb. It is adverb actually, adverb of place. So my dear friends, this is the subject. This is the subject. And if you see this type of subject, that means with this term, suppose body, and before that you see each, you see everybody, or you can see one. That means each one, everyone. If you see this type of words as the pronoun, always it is basically distributive pronoun. That means it reflects the distribution. That means always it refers singular. That means distribution means individual. It refers individuals. That is why it is always singular. So we have to write down is here. Is there anybody? Now in question number 5, friends, you can see there dash a bird on the tree. My dear friends, this term, it is introductory adverb. Actually it is adverb, and sometimes whenever we want to introduce something, at that time we use this term. It is introductory adverb. So we cannot, so my dear friends, we cannot use the verb according to this word. It is adverb, and here actual the verb, the subject is the bird. This is not the subject. Sometimes it is used as introductory. It is called actually dummy subject, but it is not the actual subject. Actual subject is a bird. So it is singular. We have to use is. And here in question number 6, you can see the same thing, that is introductory adverb, dummy subject, and the subject is monkeys. This is plural, so we have to use are. My dear friends, I think you can understand the difference between these two sentences. Now in question number 1, you can see it is you who blank space guilty. My dear friends, these types of sentences are used. Suppose this one, it is actually these type of sentences are used to emphasize something. These are called cleft sentences. And who, it is relative pronoun. It is relative pronoun used as the subject of this sentence, and also it is being used as the conjunction. It is subordinating conjunction. And as it is relative pronoun, and obviously before that there will be a noun or pronoun which will be called is its antecedent. It is called antecedent. And we have to use the verb according to this antecedent. If the antecedent is singular, we have to use singular verb. If it is plural, we have to use plural verb. My dear friends, both you as singular, or it is used as singular, it is used as plural, but always it functions like plural subjects. That's why we have to use plural verb here. Here in this sentence you can see same thing. There it is introductory adverb, and here you can see no ink. No is the determiner and ink is the noun. And my dear friends, it is uncountable. Always it is treated as singular, so we have to use there is no ink in the ink pot. This word also here, it is also an adverb, introductory adverb. It is not the actual subject. The subject is a pen. So it is singular, we have to use is. Now in question number 10, my shoes. My dear friends, shoes, we cannot use this term as singular. Always it is plural. So we have to use are. We cannot use it in singular form. Just like you can see some other words are also there. Pants, trousers, socks, spectacles. All these are plural all the time. We cannot use as the singular form. It cannot be used in singular form anywhere. Next question, you can see where dash my spectacles. Here you can see the spectacles. We cannot use it in singular form. Always it is plural. So we have to write down R. The next question, friends, here one of the most important beautiful question. There blank space two n's in the word noun. So here you can see 2n, and this is actually, this is a letter. Here it is a noun. It is a noun, and we have shows uh, we have used apostrophe s with it, and number is, you can see 2. That means it is plural. So obviously we have to write down R. My dear friends, I think you are beneficial from this video. If you like this video, I'd like to request you to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Thank you very much.